This bottle opener explodes with force of 1 billion nuclear bombs inside a kitchen drawer. That's because of a fundamental concept in food science and cooking chemistry, Maillard reaction. Imagine a grain of sand containing an entire library of chemical reactions happening simultaneously. Maillard reaction is a non-enzymatic browning reaction between amino acids and reducing sugars. It's responsible for the formation of new flavor compounds, browning, and crust formation in food. The reaction occurs when food is cooked, grilled, or toasted, and it's not just limited to kitchen processes. Maillard reaction is also found in nature, such as when plants and trees undergo senescence. In the context of cooking, Maillard reaction is essential for the development of flavors and textures in various dishes. For instance, when you cook a steak, the Maillard reaction breaks down the proteins and creates new compounds that contribute to the steak's flavor and texture. However, the Maillard reaction can also lead to the formation of unwanted compounds, such as acrylamide, a known carcinogen. But that's not the strangest part. The Maillard reaction can also be influenced by the physical properties of food, such as temperature, pH, and moisture content. Imagine a scenario where you're cooking a sauce with high sugar content at a low temperature. The Maillard reaction will be slower and less efficient, resulting in a sauce that's not as flavorful as you'd like. Now, let's talk about the science behind the Maillard reaction. The reaction involves a complex interplay of chemical reactions, including the breakdown of amino acids and the formation of new compounds. One of the key factors that influence the Maillard reaction is the temperature at which food is cooked. High temperatures can accelerate the reaction, leading to the formation of new compounds and a more intense flavor. But what happens when you cook food at a low temperature? The Maillard reaction will be slower, and the resulting flavor will be less complex. It's like trying to cook a perfect soufflé. You need to balance the temperature, moisture content, and pH to get the desired outcome. In the case of the bottle opener, the Maillard reaction plays a crucial role in the formation of the metal's surface layer. The reaction creates a thin layer of oxide that protects the metal from corrosion and wear. However, the Maillard reaction can also lead to the formation of unwanted compounds, such as rust and corrosion. But that's not the strangest part. The Maillard reaction can also be influenced by the physical properties of the metal, such as its composition and temperature. For instance, when you heat a metal with a high carbon content, the Maillard reaction can lead to the formation of carbides, which can increase the metal's hardness. Now, let's talk about the real-world consequences of the Maillard reaction. In the food industry, the Maillard reaction is used to create new flavors and textures in various products, such as bread, pasta, and snacks. However, the reaction can also lead to the formation of unwanted compounds, such as acrylamide, which can be hazardous to human health. In the context of materials science, the Maillard reaction is used to create new surface layers on metals, which can improve their corrosion resistance and wear properties. However, the reaction can also lead to the formation of unwanted compounds, such as rust and corrosion, which can compromise the metal's structural integrity.
The Maillard reaction is a fundamental concept in food science and cooking chemistry, and it has a significant impact on the flavor, texture, and safety of various food products.
In conclusion, the Maillard reaction is a complex interplay of chemical reactions that involve the breakdown of amino acids and the formation of new compounds. The reaction is influenced by various factors, including temperature, pH, and moisture content, and it plays a crucial role in the formation of flavors and textures in various food products. If you found this fascinating, subscribe for more incredible stories like this, and let me know in the comments what fascinates you most about the Maillard reaction. Want more mind-blowing facts? Hit subscribe and join our journey of discovery.